Welcome back to Living in Hobe Sound. If you're new here, my name is Jaime Kriske. I'm a resident and realtor with Coldwell Banker.
Hey guys, Jody Dupuis. I'm with Mortgage Resources of South Florida, and I service people all over the state of Florida, helping them get loans to buy houses and equity. That's
And
what we do.
on this channel, we discuss what it's like to live, work, and have fun here in Hobe Sound. So today we're going to talk about the main road, Bridge Road, that connects all of these other highways together and kind of funnels a lot of people into Hobe Sound. And then we're going to tour a neighborhood that is right off Bridge Road called the Cottages. So we're going to take you in that neighborhood, show you in a typical house you might find in there. Then we are going to drive from that neighborhood to Hobe Sound Social, real time. I'm not going to be. You're going to want to know where the cottage is.
That's true.
So
It's
it's
true.
a good little pattern. And the kids are going out on the canoes
There's
now.
a field trip behind us here. Getting the explore. Let's kick over here.
Right now, we are sitting in Jonathan Dickinson, which is just south of Bridge Road. We thought it was a very perfect place.
Well, let's be honest. It's a beautiful day. We wanted to come hang out here. Anyway, this is a state park here. You have, if you followed our channel for a while, you've seen us in the state park before. It is one of our favorite places. The address is Hobe Sound. We are in the southern part of Martin County. The park stretches all the way to the beginning of Tequesta.
Park's over 16,000 acres. It's a big park.
It's really gorgeous. There's a lot to do here in the park. If you haven't been and you'd like to come, it is a gem that we have here in Houston. But we wanted to take you here to talk about Bridge Road, which is the connector, right? Like this is going to take you, if you're in Western Martin County in Indiantown, you can hop on Bridge Road and go all the way to the beach on Jupiter Island at Beach Road. Along the way, you're going to pass US 1. You're going to pass, what's after you? Dixie Highway or alternate A1A. You go over the tracks. You're going to pass Gomez. You're going to go through the covered tree area that's
The Banyans are
the best. The Banyans.
iconic.
Iconic for sure. And then you're going to hit Beach Road and the public beach. And Beach Road will run north and south. So all the Bridge Road is going east and west, and those main roads are going north and south. It's pretty easy to get around Florida if you can kind of figure out where you're at, north, south, east, west, right?
Yeah. So if you wanted to get to 95 in Hobe Sound, you would take Bridge Road.
Right.
Go to the Polo Fields, go to Indiantown, to downtown Hobe Sound, to shopping, to restaurants.
Yeah.
Bridge Road is the main drag. So outside of those highways, Bridge Road is our road.
So we say it's the main road, but you know this is a small town. It's a 2-lane highway, 2-lane road.
It's a road.
It's a road.
Hence Bridge Road.
So enjoy your tour. Yeah, Bridge Road. Enjoy your tour of Bridge Road, which does also include a bridge, in case you're wondering. It's called the Bridge Road Bridge. It's a drawbridge, and it's manned.
We go take a look at one of the houses.
Let's
do it. We'll go tour the house.
Yeah.
And then we'll go get coffee.
What do you get for $5.99 at Hobe Sound with a gate?
Let's check it out.
Okay, come on. Oh my gosh, it was fun. So fun. What great. It's great. I think it's crap. You guys, hope you had fun. If you really enjoyed hanging out with us today, learning about Bridge Road, and Hobe Sound in general and the surrounding areas, give us the, what is it? Follow it? Yeah.
Click the bell.
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yes, exactly. So then check out some of the other videos. They'll be linked here. And if you have something specific you want us to cover, let us know. Talk to you soon. Bye. There we go.
Cut.
Cut.
Cut.